here we go. The lighting is definitely not the best here. I did use a band-aid to cover up my address and whatnot, but yeah, so let's go ahead and see how this actually opens. I'm guessing like, maybe not like that. It says pull to open. Oh, here we are. There we go. Didn't work out quite like I wanted it to. So, should I be able to open it now? No. Yeah. You know, fuck it. I'm gonna use a knife. See if this will work. And it appears this knife is duller than shit. Alright, well I guess that worked. Oh well. Alright. So, here we are. I ordered a Fanttik electric precision screwdriver kit. And the reason why I got this is because, well, it's an electric screwdriver, but it comes with a case to hold the screwdrivers plus the assortment of bits. So, let me get this knife here again. There we are. And let's see. I'll just lightly squirt. There we are. Okay, so there is a paint mark from where I cut the plastic, but let me turn my, there we go. Alright, so here is the charger. Let's set this over here. Keep the box put up so it doesn't get messed up. Just in case if I ever have to return it for a warranty or something. Okay, I guess it opens from this end. Alright, there we go. Ooh. That is a nice color. I like that. Alright. Press area. Ah. Okay, so that is nice looking. Okay, so I guess it's a timer. I like that. And I guess to go ahead and just push that. Okay. Alright. So let's go ahead and pull this out here and see how this works. Oh, okay. Here we are. So you just pull up on it and you have all of the bits. Got Torx, hex, it looks like. Okay, got some Phillips here, and got this little piece right here. I guess that's to take things apart. Okay, so they're magnetized. I like that. And I'm guessing you just have to put this back in here. Like that. It's nice. I like it. And I like the color too. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take care of this because this is a really nice kit. I like it. Go ahead and peel this off. Stick it to that. I am going to put this foam back in here, however, just because it makes me feel a little bit better about, maybe not. Wait, there we go. I'll go ahead and put this back in here. That's nice. I like that. And the fact that it comes with, I mean, it's a small charging cable, but at least they include one. Well, that's good. Yeah, I would say that's a fair enough length, especially if you keep it on your desk. So yeah. Let's see if I can go ahead and fold it back up. And okay, well that's not the prettiest way to fold it back up, but it works. I do like it. I like the color and everything. I think it is nice. This is the next E2 Ultra. NEX E2 Ultra. So yeah. I like it. And I think, honestly, the reason why I bought this is to actually replace this guy right here. Don't get me wrong, I like this one. But it doesn't really have a whole lot of torque. So with that being said, I feel like this would be a better buy. Plus, I've heard some good things about Fanttik and whatnot. This will definitely come in handy whenever I decide to finally upgrade the storage in my laptop and the storage in my, what the fuck is it called? My Legion Go, it wasn't the S. I can't remember. I think it was the Go 2 that I needed to upgrade the storage in, so yeah. Plus, I also got to upgrade the RAM in my laptop. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace.